Good morning, student. In the last 13th video classes, I was taught about the two chemical property of metal. Now today I am going to teach the third chemical property of metal. In lecture 14th, subject chemistry for class 10th. The third chemical property of metal is action of water. Metals reacts with water in three stages: cold water, hot water and steam. Highly reactive metal like sodium and potassium reacts with cold water to give sodium hydroxide and release hydrogen gas. In this case, large amount of heat energy is produced. From that heat energy, our hydrogen gas acquire their ignition temperature and catches fire. Now in second stage, action of hot water. Magnesium reacts with hot water to give magnesium hydroxide and release hydrogen gas. Now in third case, aluminium, iron and zinc reacts with steam to give corresponding metallic oxide and release hydrogen gas. For example, iron reacts with steam to give Fe3O4 iron 2,3 oxide and hydrogen. Zinc reacts with steam to give zinc oxide and hydrogen. Aluminium reacts with steam to give aluminium oxide and release hydrogen gas. Iron reacts with steam, aluminium reacts with steam and zinc reacts with steam. Iron reacts with steam to give Fe3O4 plus hydrogen gas. Aluminium reacts with steam to give aluminium oxide and release hydrogen gas, and zinc also reacts with steam to give zinc oxide and release hydrogen gas. So here we see that metals reacts with water in three states: hot, cold water, hot water and steam. In cold water, most reactive metal like sodium and potassium reacts with cold water to give corresponding metallic hydroxide and release hydrogen gas. In this case, that chemical reaction is highly exothermic reaction, so it releases large amount of heat energy. By using this heat energy, our hydrogen gas acquires their ignition temperature and catches fire. In the second, in B, the magnesium, second case, magnesium reacts with hot water to give corresponding magnesium hydroxide and release hydrogen gas, and in the third case, some metals like iron, aluminum and zinc reacts with steam to give corresponding metallic oxide and release hydrogen gas. For example, iron reacts with steam to give iron 2,3 oxide, फेरसोफेरिक ऑक्साइड भी इसको कहते हैं हम लोग, फेरस फेरिक ऑक्साइड या आयरन 2,3 ऑक्साइड and release hydrogen gas. Aluminium reacts with steam to give aluminum oxide and release hydrogen gas, and zinc reacts with steam to give zinc oxide ZnO plus H2, release hydrogen gas. Now the fourth chemical property of metal is our action of third है. The third property was action of water. Now I am going to discuss the fourth chemical property of metal. Action of chlorine. The fourth chemical property of metal is action of chlorine. Metal reacts with chlorine to give corresponding metal chloride. Sodium reacts with chlorine, sodium chloride. Magnesium reacts with chlorine, magnesium chloride. Potassium reacts with chlorine, potassium chloride. NaCl2, NaCl. Magnesium, Cl2, MgCl2. Now I am coming on the fifth chemical property of metal is metal. The fifth chemical property of metal is our metals react with other metals react with other metal salt solution. Yes, metals react with other salt solution, metal salt solution, metal salt solution. Yeah, simply we can say that metals react with other salt solution. Metals react with other salt solution. ये क्या है? ये just like our displacement reaction. It means more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its salt solution. For example, when aqueous solution of copper sulfate in which iron nail is dipped, जब कॉपर सल्फेट के aqueous solution में आयरन नेल को डीप करते हैं तो रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में आयरन का पोजीशन कॉपर से ऊपर है. इट मीन्स आयरन इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन कॉपर. सो आयरन विल डिस्प्लेस द कॉपर फ्रॉम कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन एंड फॉर्मिंग फेरस सल्फेट एंड कॉपर. द ब्लू कलर ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट solution disappear and it is become light green due to the formation of ferrous sulfate, and there is a brown deposition of copper on iron nail. CuSO4 aqueous blue color plus FeSO4 green aqueous plus Cu solid. कॉपर सल्फेट सोल्यूशन, कॉपर सल्फेट का सोल्यूशन ब्लू होता है। इसमें जब हम लोग आयरन नेट डालते हैं तो आफ्टर सम टाइम देयर इज ए केमिकल रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस, आयरन इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन कॉपर, सो आयरन डिस्प्लेस द कॉपर फ्रॉम कॉपर सल्फेट solution and forming ferrous sulfate and copper. The blue color of copper sulfate solution is disappear and it become light green, or we can say that green. The color of solution become green due to the formation of ferrous sulfate, and there is a brown deposition of copper on iron nail. आयरन नेल के ऊपर भूरे रंग का एक लेयर आ जाता है जो कि कॉपर है। तो यहाँ पर हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि मोर रिएक्टिव मेटल डिस्प्लेसेस द लेस रिएक्टिव मेटल। तो मेटल्स रिएक्ट विथ अदर सॉल्ट सोल्यूशन। ये हमारा कॉपर सल्फेट सोल्यूशन जो है वो हमारा सॉल्ट सोल्यूशन है। अनदर केमिकल रिएक्शन व्हेन वी डीप aqueous solution of copper sulfate, when zinc metal is dipped in aqueous solution of copper sulfate। जब जिंक मेटल को हम लोग कॉपर सल्फेट के सॉल्यूशन में डालते हैं, aqueous blue Zn solid ZnSO4 colorless aqueous plus कॉपर। जब aqueous solution ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट, ये सॉल्ट सोल्यूशन है, इसमें जब जिंक मेटल को डालते हैं तो जिंक इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन कॉपर, सो जिंक इज displace the copper from copper sulfate solution and forming zinc sulfate and copper. The blue color of aqueous solution of copper sulfate is disappear and become colorless just like water. As you know that the color of water is colorless. So we can say that more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its salt solution. This chemical property also represent your displacement reaction. So now my today video classes for class 10th is going to finished. Now thank you, धन्यवाद, bye bye.